we have absolutely no intention of integrating in the South those areas which have been segregated for at least 100 years.
I had to give him an actual picture, by voice, by gesture, but by every means I had, to have him realize what he was in front of and what he was about to agree to.
That was a true story involving Jackie Robinson and the Dodgers. They were playing in Cincinnati, and Jackie had gotten some very serious death threats.
Robinson waits. Here comes the pitch, and there goes a line drive to left field. Swan is after it. He leaps and